Hi, my name is Baran Sari. I'm the CTO for CionSystem. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install Enterprise Self Service, configure it, and the minimum configuration needed to use the Enterprise Self Service. The Enterprise Self Service provides many functions. It provides a password reset portal for user community. It has password synchronization. It has the ability to reset password from your Windows login. It has multi-factor authentication for both web application as well as for Windows login. It supports many authentication types: SMS, PIN, challenge question, generic USB key. It has access management. It has full-fledged group management functionality, both distribution groups as well as security groups. You can manage user profiles and many other objects. In terms of access management, you can distribute the distribution group management to user community, and it has a complete workflow around that. You can distribute the security group management to owners of the security group, and you can leverage the workflow that is in the ADM Pro for group management also using the Enterprise Self Service. Let's look at it how the application is installed and configured for basic configuration to start using the application. I'm going to this remote system. I have the setup open, click on it, and I'll walk through the wizard. It's a web-based application. So at two places it asks for the input. One is the identity for IIS and also entering the SQL information. Now it's asking me to enter the IIS identity. This does not need to be an administrative account. Now the next step is it will ask me for the SQL database. That is, this application uses SQL to store its metadata. I'm going to enter the SQL information. Get the SQL instance name. I'm using the SA account and the password. Test the connectivity. Click on next so that it can create its database to store the configuration details and other information. The installation is done. Now I'll start the application by clicking on the icon for the application on the desktop. On the admin, this application has multiple landing pages, one for the user, the other one for admin. On the admin page, the first step is to log into the admin page as an admin. Username is admin and the password is admin. And once you log in, the first step is to configure a domain. You have different options to configure. This application should work with Active Directory, Azure AD, Office 365, or Open LDAP, generic LDAP as well. This is the high privilege account for it to connect in the backend to the directory. For the domain, save this configuration. The next step is to go and create a policy. That's the step that is required before users can use the application. It's it puts a dashboard on the status of your directory as well as information on which users are enrolled, unenrolled, and things like that. The next step is to go to customization and create the policy without which you cannot use the application. Here I need to choose the options that I want to allow users to perform. For example, give the name of the policy, choose the OUs or the complete domain. I'm going to choose the complete domain. And it will enumerate all the OUs, etc., and they will be added to the policy. The next step is to save the policy. Okay. After this, you can log out and go to the user portal, and you'll be able to log in here. Hope this helps, and you can see how easy it is to use Enterprise Self Service with basic configuration. Thank you.